Starting around the 19th of June 2023, torrential slide explicitly is exchanging at $11.44 in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.77% in kind of most recent 60-minute, which in a real sense is very huge. Avax basically has an in every practical sense complete market cap of $3,948,044,982 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $96,998,632, which basically is very critical. This basically makes torrential slide essentially positioning at 19 in the cryptographic money market, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. In the event that you sort of are a crypto financial backer and considering what truly is the torrential slide cost expectation end of 2023, what will torrential slide truly be most certainly worth in 2023, or so they explicitly thought? Is torrential slide a sort of wise speculation or sort of worth purchasing in 2023? Will Avax cost in a real sense outperform its unequaled high, which all things considered, is genuinely critical? These basically are our torrential slide cost expectations for Avax's future, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Torrential slide value expectation 2023 is per the torrential slide conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Avax cost for the most part is supposed to sort of cross a very normal value level of $14.08. The normal exceptionally least value worth of torrential slide toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to really be $13.50 in a by and large enormous manner. Besides, Avax can really arrive at a for the most part greatest value level of $15.85 in a genuinely huge manner. Torrential slide value estimate June 2023 the in every way that really matters. Normal cost of torrential slide could commonly go to $12.02 toward the finish of June 2023, which basically is very critical. Avax could truly be exchanging around a truly greatest worth of $12.36 with the kind of least expected cost of $10.99. Or so they for the most part thought. Torrential slide value expectation July 2023. Torrential slide cost explicitly is supposed to explicitly reach between $11.92 to $12.96 in July 2023, while the truly normal cost of Avax for the July truly remains around $12.38. Torrential slide value figure August 2023. The torrential slide cost for August 2023 may truly arrive at a sort of least worth of $12.18, while the extremely greatest estimated cost basically is around $13.46 in an unpretentious manner. The fundamentally normal cost for Avax is especially anticipated to sort of reach $12.75 in August 2023, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Torrential slide value gauge September 2023. For September 2023, the cost of torrential slide generally is in a real sense anticipated to for the most part arrive at a very normal cost of $13.13, while the coin could exchange between a fundamental limit of $13.97 and an essentially least of $12.68, which in a real sense shows that torrential slide value estimate September 2023. For September 2023, the cost of torrential slide explicitly is fundamentally anticipated to fundamentally arrive at an especially normal cost of $13.13, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $13.97 and a kind of least of $12.68, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Avax value conjecture October 2023. The torrential slide estimate for October 2023 expects that the Avax may for the most part arrive at an in every practical sense greatest worth of $14.63 with a by and large least cost of around $12.83, or so they explicitly thought. Discussing the sort of typical value, Avax can generally stretch around $13.40 for October, which is very huge. Torrential slide value gauge November 2023. The torrential slide cost for November 2023 may explicitly arrive at an essentially least worth of $13.23, while the greatest gauge cost truly is around $15.16, showing that assuming that you especially are a crypto financial backer and considering what explicitly is the torrential slide cost expectation end of 2023, what will torrential slide explicitly be fundamentally worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? The sort of typical cost for Avax generally is for the most part anticipated to in every practical sense reach $13.80 in November 2023 in an unobtrusive way. Torrential slide value figure December 2023. The genuinely normal cost of torrential slide could commonly go to $14.08 toward the finish of December 2023, showing how on the off chance that you basically are a crypto financial backer and considering what most certainly is the torrential slide cost expectation end of 2023. What will torrential slide be genuinely worth in 2023 in a truly significant manner? AVAX could generally be exchanging around a most extreme worth of $15.85 with the in every practical sense least expected cost of $13.50, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Torrential slide extremely past value examination in the very beyond 24 hours. The crypto certainly has been diminished by 0.4% in its really current worth, which sort of demonstrates the way that Avax could by and large be exchanging around a truly greatest worth of $15.85 with the base expected cost of $13.50, which truly is genuinely huge. In the event that we generally look at the kind of current market cap of the AVAX with yesterday, you can explicitly see that the market cap fundamentally is likewise down in an especially huge manner. Torrential slide in a real sense is confronting an extremely difficult time jumping aboard with all things considered. Other crypto coins, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The AVAX truly is down to nearly 0.55% in the kind of most recent 7 days, which by and large is very critical. The coin by and large is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for especially past not very many days. The coin could by and large have major areas of strength for truly yet. We don't by and large figure that it would a productive resource in truly present moment, which sort of shows that generally is torrential slide a very wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023, or so they explicitly thought. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of a VAX generally diminished by 46.117%, wiping out an astounding sort of normal amount of $9.80 from its kind of current worth. Further appearance how torrential slide value expectation July 2023. Torrential slide cost fundamentally is supposed to essentially reach between $11.92 to $12.96 in July 2023, while the truly normal cost of a VAX for the July sort of stay around $12.38. Torrential slide value gauge August 2023. The torrential slide cost for August 2023 may especially arrive at a sort of least worth of $12.18, while the by and large greatest estimated cost generally is around $13.46, or so they truly thought. This unexpected down generally implies that the coin essentially is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in every practical sense be a very decent by and large purchase, a valuable open door for exceptionally fast venture, which truly is genuinely huge. The 90 days cost change truly is near 35.67%, and the cost in every practical sense circled from a truly least truly normal cost of $16.54 to truly most extreme sort of normal cost of $18.27 in the truly beyond 90 days in an unpretentious manner. Torrential slide essentially is somewhere near 5.26%, with the by and large greatest truly normal cost of the coin truly was around $11.78, and the fundamentally least truly normal cost of by large was around $11.56 in essentially beyond 4 months. Sort of additional appearance how Avax value gauge October 2023. The torrential slide estimate for October 2023 expects that the